Hey everyone, it's Kevin from Cruising with Wheels. Do you know what today is? Today is vacation day. Today's the day that we will be flying to go to the NCL Bliss. It's 5:30 in the morning in New York. Our flight doesn't leave until 11:30, but I couldn't sleep. My legs hurt. I've been working a lot lately in preparation of leaving. So this morning I woke up early. Poor Frank was so tired. He was snoring. My legs hurt. I got up. Whatever. So I'm on like cup number 2. And I am going to take a shower soon and get dressed. I want to go to the bank and be like sitting there waiting so I can do my deposit. And then I have to swing by my salon. I forgot to bring my rent check. So I have to do that. Then I just pick up Frank, our bags, and off to the airport we go. We will be flying Southwest there. So we'll see how that goes. They haven't, been too great in the news lately, let's say. So I guess we'll see you when I come back to pick up Frank.
Hey guys, we're in the car and ready to go to the airport to fly to Seattle, Washington.
It's so exciting.
It is.
We are leaving from Rochester, New York, where we live, and going to, where are we going?
We're going to Baltimore, Washington International Airport. I hear storms are coming up the coast, and they're going to hit Washington, D.C. and Baltimore later this afternoon. So I hope it's not bad, and I hope we get out.
We have a 3.5-hour layover, I think, and then we'll be in Seattle. Yay! We'll check in with you in a little while once we get to the airport. Bye.
Bye.
Feeling like I got some vertigo. Should I jump, should I stay, or baby, should I go? You know that I'm falling for you. Oh baby, I'm falling for you. Saying I should not be looking down. Looking left, looking right, up, down, you're all around. You know that I'm falling for you. Oh baby, I'm falling for you. So do I have to choose? You know that I'm falling for you. Oh baby, I'm falling for you. Oh baby, I'm falling for you.
waiting for the second flight. Frank's in his wheels. And the first flight was great. How long did it take? It took less than an hour. And we were on the ground. And now we are waiting for the long-ass flight to Seattle.
5 hours.
Oh my baby, okay. So I'm crazy. Watch you bend that back for me. We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, live like it. Watch you bend that back for me. We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, live like a dream.
Hey guys, we made it to Seattle.
Finally off that plane.
Oh my
like
God.
5 hours, whatever. I was dying.
I think I need wheels
Oh
after
my
that.
God, we haven't eaten in like
14 hours.
14 hours.
14 hours.
We're dying. So we just checked in to the Best Western Seattle Airport Hotel. It was the usual trauma, waiting for the luggage from the crazy twirling carousel.
We're always the
We're last. I don't know why. They mark our luggage last.
They save the best for last, right?
And so, but then we had to do the jumping over the hoops, going upstairs, downstairs, elevator, up and down, crossing over to the garage, going back down, and trying to figure out where the courtesy shuttle to the hotel was.
So when you're there, just go outside. Because that baggage claim, if you go outside, that's where the shuttles are.
Yeah. So, anyways.
Don't follow the signs.
Yeah.
They're liars.
Live and learn. So,
They
we
lie.
got here, so that was good, and we checked in real quick, and we're not going to take their shuttle to the port. We've arranged,
too late.
Yeah, we've arranged for a private town car picking us up. He said it's cheaper than a taxi, 15 miles to the port, and we're right around the corner from the check-in desk at their restaurant, made-to-order food. So we just ordered. We're both getting a grilled panini, side order fries, and a house salad, and of course I'm having my lemonade.
I'm having Fanta.
He's having his Fanta. Orange.
Today is sponsored by Fanta.
Okay, we're exhausted and starving.
So after we eat, maybe we'll show you what we're eating. Maybe we won't. I don't know. But we'll show
it too fast.
We'll show you the room and I don't know. Show you the room. Maybe I'll take a walk outside. Show you some other spots like the game room. They have a pool. I don't know. They have some other bullshit, but I don't know. I wasn't listening to the guy.
That's nice.
So, just give me my key.
I know.
14
Throw
hours.
the luggage in the room. Let's eat.
So, until after dinner,
Right.
I guess that's when we'll see you next.
Okay. Bye.